If you're living paycheck to paycheck, you are not alone. But here's the truth. It's probably not your job's fault. It's not inflation's fault. It's that nobody ever taught you this one thing that changes everything. It's not about how much you make. It's about what happens the moment your paycheck hits your account. Without a plan, the money disappears. Groceries, gas, Amazon, takeout, gone. And by next week, you're broke again, even if your income goes up. So here's how to fix it. Step 1. Split your paycheck. Open a second checking account for bills. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Automate just $20 into savings. Step 3. Only budget what's left. Don't touch the bill money or savings. Now, you're not trying to save what's left. You're protecting it from the jump. This is how people break the cycle. It's not about being perfect. It's about building a system that protects you from yourself. When you automate your money, you control it. You don't let it control you. Start with the split paycheck system. Even if it's just $5 to savings, it's the small moves that build momentum. So $20 a week is nothing to start. Drop a comment if you want a tutorial on how to set it up. And subscribe for more money clarity every week.